Hey there, everyone. We're back with another exciting post to celebrate a special day. Today, we're honoring December 5th, which is International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. This day is all about recognizing the crucial role that volunteers play in promoting sustainable development and ensuring a better future for all. At #NFREOSPA, we're proud to support this cause and encourage our community to join in the spirit of volunteerism, whether it's volunteering at a local food bank, mentoring a young student, or helping out at a community event. Every act of kindness and service makes a difference. So, let's come together and make a positive impact on our world. Join us in celebrating International Volunteer Day, and remember, every act of kindness counts. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring content. Let's make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time.